Everyone who has or works with horses needs this. It's cheap, simple, and completely safe. I've used mine for years and years on many horses, and it gives reliable information. Anyone can do it. Literally. Just take a look. This horse is lame, but where is the problem? Let's look. Let's just figure it out. Heat and swelling means there is an injury, infection, or inflammation. So we're looking for heat. If it's 5 to 10 degrees Celsius warmer, there is usually a problem. You measure the temperature at the same spot on both legs and compare. The little red dot shows the measure point. You can look for hoof abscesses. Hot indicates trouble. And you can search for tendon problems and joints, any inflammations in the joints. Make sure you measure at the same spot on both legs exactly to have a proper comparison. When you've found the hotspot, call the vet or farrier and provide the information. The IR thermometer doesn't lie, so no more wondering if it was a left pastern, hoof, or tendon is a bit warmer. Now you can know for sure. Do you want one of these? It's a link in the description below.